In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install plugins directly on Hostinger. If you want to add extra features to your website without handling a complicated manual setup, installing plugins directly from your Hostinger account can make the process much easier. This built-in option helps you browse available plugins and choose the one that best fits what you want your site to do, whether that's improving design, adding tools, or expanding functionality. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. Once you're inside, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account area where your website and hosting management options are visible. This is the control center for most of the actions you'll need to take. Next, look over to the left-hand panel and click on More Services. This section is where Hostinger groups together additional tools, features, and services that you can connect to your hosting setup. If you don't immediately spot the option, just scan the menu carefully, since the layout can vary slightly depending on updates to the platform. After you open More Services, this is where you'll be able to see the available plugins. Browse through the list and review the options carefully so you can select the plugin that matches your needs. Depending on what you're trying to achieve, some plugins may focus on performance, security, marketing, design, or other website improvements. Take your time here because choosing the right plugin can save you effort later. Once you've found the plugin you want, simply click on it to begin the installation or activation process. At this stage, Hostinger may provide more information about what the plugin does, what features are included, and whether there are any conditions before you can continue. Keep in mind that some plugins may require a paid subscription or a separate plan before you can use them. If that happens, just follow the prompts shown on your screen. Hostinger will typically guide you through the next steps, whether that means confirming the installation, selecting a plan, or completing the setup. As you move through the prompts, read each screen carefully so you understand what is being enabled on your account. This helps prevent mistakes and ensures the plugin is installed correctly. Once the process is complete, you can usually return to your website or management area to confirm that the plugin has been added successfully. And that's it. That's how to install plugins directly on Hostinger, quickly and easily.